in the sweltering heat of Rajasthan to cycle more than 200 kilometres was absolutely worth it, because more than £250,000 was raised. And with that money, we're able to transform the lives of thousands and thousands of girls, and for that, we're incredibly grateful.
You managed to raise far more money than predicted. And I should also mention the impressive commitment of Rohit Chadha and his friends, who cycled across Rajasthan in just 4 days to raise significant funds for the appeal.